has people on top of the soil.
Behind the sea. 3, go.
If the atmosphere has layers, then the soil has two. These are called the horizons. The soil has 6 horizons, namely the O, A, E, B, C, and the R horizon.
Tia like
Dreamy.
video na ka no.
Dreamy-chan! Hi! Nani Daski! Chocolate! Yuri mo anata! Ni-chan! Hi!
Bacillus. Very nitrogen to.
Bacillus.
Very nitrogen.
Bacillus.
Okay. It helps us through. And carbon sequestration kay ano?
Tayo talaga. Hapit ng 5 ba?
Farming or during